In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again to access Biometrics. Now you can finally select face recognition at the top and enter your current login method. Then read all of those instructions, hit continue, keep your face in frame, follow all of those instructions and wait for 100% mark. Then you can adjust all of those settings however you want to. And when you finished, click on Home button. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!